Welcome to my home lab. In this video, I continue with the Python Hello World Docker app. I'm gonna make the code available on GitHub and create a non-network. We start on the GitHub website and sign in. The starting point on GitHub are a couple of Hello World repositories, forked one, and the GitHub pages repository, all from previous videos. We open Visual Studio Code, create a remote connection, current window to host, our Fedora server. You see it's opening the remote, and we are connected. First, we look at the containers, and as you can see, we have no containers, no images, no registries. The networks are bridge, but nothing is associated, host network and the non-network. We have also no volumes. Close everything. Now I'm going to open a folder, programming, and today we use the Python Hello World app. Open it, Python Hello World, OK. And we have the code and the Docker file. The first thing we need to do is to put the code, Docker file, and the Python app to Docker Hub. We go to source control, publish to GitHub. Click on it. We have a title, Python Hello World, and we create a public repository. Which files we want to put, the Docker file and the Python app. OK. See, it's publishing and it's OK. If we look at the GitHub website, you see we have a new repository, Python Hello World, 2 minutes ago. I open it and we have the Docker file, it here, and the Python app. Hello from my home lab. Now we're going to change the code a little bit and push it again to GitHub. You go back to Visual Studio Code and change the code. Import time you can leave like it is. We create a counter and give it 0. Then we print start Python Hello World. Explanation. Rest can stay what you want. While through it's OK. And put here counter plus equals to 1. So we add 1 to the counter. Then we print counter and Hello World from my home lab. Okay, and then we sleep for 5 seconds and we try all over, counter at 1, and we print again counter Hello World from my home lab. We do Control S to save. Here you see we have 1 unsaved. Control S, save it, we go to the terminal, new terminal, and we do Python 3 test.py. So we run our app. No space. Enter. You see we have start Python hello world, the first line, then 1. And if we wait 5 seconds, 2, 3, and so on. We do Control C to stop it, and it stopped. Now you see here we have one uncommitted change. We do update test.py and commit it, and sync the changes to GitHub. Okay, we go back to the website, refresh it, and you see the code on GitHub is changed. We are up to date. Now we can go back to Visual Studio Code, the terminal, and paste the command docker build. So we built the app from the Docker file, give it a name Python hello from my home lab in the current directory. You see the dot at the end. Don't forget the dot. Enter. And you see we are building the Docker image. And it's finished. Now we go to containers, and you see in the image we have Python hello from my home lab. We can open it. It's the latest. We can go back to our folder and create a new file, docker-compose. So new file, docker-compose.yaml. You can do it YAML like that or like that. It's the same. Do it this time like that. You see Visual Studio Code recognize the extension and it's the right one. Then you give it following code, copy it, paste it, services, Python hello world, it's a name, the image, Python hello from my home lab dot latest, container name, Python hello world, the network mode, none, because we don't need a connection to a network, we can do the network mode none, and restart unless stopped. Control S to save it. We can go to source control and in it compose. Commit it and sync the changes. It's okay. We go to the website, refresh it, and you see we have our docker-compose.yaml file with the right code. We go back. Now we can create our container from the docker-compose file. Now we will start the container, docker-compose run, detach mode, Python hello world. Enter. And you see the container is running. We go to files, see it here, containers, we have a running container. We have our image and we have the networks. If you see here the non-network, we have an associated container, Python hello world, Python hello world run. Now we can click here, right, view logs, and you see our container is starting and we are already on the counter number 8. Every 5 seconds we have a new line. This was it for this video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. See you later and thank you very much.